Hello YouTube, today we'll do an unboxing Nerf guns. So let's get the unboxing tools and let's get started. First, we will check it out the battery pack. So we'll check out the battery pack first and then we'll check the rest. So are you guys ready to unbox this? Very easy. Ooh. Oh, here we go. And let's see what's inside. First, we got a charger. Second, we got a battery, which is combined with the charger, and this Nerf gun. And instructions, and I don't know why they gave us this for some reason. And second, we will unbox the face mask. First step, this is a little bit hard. Second step, take it out. Does this look cool? In my opinion, yes. Last one, the battery. No. Why did I say battery? The rival. So unbox it and take it out. Oh, this is a little bit hard. Boy, look at this. So we have a Nerf blaster inside, which is absolute. And we have a screwdriver. I don't know why. And we have a Apple sticker. And we have instructions. So, first step, if you are using this gun, if you're a pretty strong guy, you can use a battery. The normal 6D battery. I'm saying the 6D, not 60. 6D. A, B, C, D. Every time when I say 60, people say 60. So, screwdriver. Here we go. And just let me try to figure it out. This is a little bit hard. Oh, here we go. And it has a tray inside, which is put the battery in and then put it in. Or you can just using the rechargeable battery. And I already charged it before I make the video, so you guys have to charge it first. And it is pretty safe when the battery connected to the gun. No, like I'm saying, when it will be safe when the battery disconnect to the gun. You see this part? When connect, it will be like this. Well, better don't do that though. So, which is you guys see, it have a little plastic over there, pretty expensive, and then put it in. And now we should put this in and screwdriver. And I don't know why. You can do this, like just a tip. Whoop, 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 whoop. Just a tip. Whoop. And now we will try to shoot. So you have to shake it a little bit for some reason. And if you have any jam, get your finger there and clear it out. Like this. Pretty simple, huh? Oh, did I break this? Just kidding. Ow! I hit my head. And it'll be much cooler with the mask. I hope it won't hit my head. So if you got balls stuck inside, clear it out, and it works pretty good, but I just have a problem with this. You see this? It will break. Well, only if it got jammed. And you have a pretty safety lock. If you don't close the door, you won't be able to fire. That's why this orange thing to hit this. If the orange thing hit this, then yep. And thank you guys for watching, and be subscribed, be cool.